Welcome to our video on the top 14 AI game creation online tools. In this video, we will discuss the best AI game creation tools that can help game developers create engaging and intelligent games. The use of AI in game development has revolutionized the way games are designed and played. AI can be used to create various aspects of a game, such as character behavior, enemy AI, and even the storyline. With the help of machine learning algorithms and online platforms, game developers can create games that are challenging, interactive, and personalized for players. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 14 AI game creation online tools. Ludo AI is an AI-powered platform designed to assist game developers in the creation process. It can generate new game concepts, track game trends, and perform research on games and images. It also has a game concept document tool that allows users to save all of their research and game ideas in one place. Ludo AI is free to use and requires no credit card. Convai Technologies Inc. provides a conversational AI for virtual worlds. It is designed for real-time, end-to-end voice-based interactions with characters and is optimized for scale to support millions of users. It allows users to design their own conversation-based characters and speech-based games and connect with NPC assets inside game engines. It also enables characters to have open-ended voice-based conversations and carry out actions. Orbofi is a tool that enables users to create AI-generated assets, factories, and characters for Web3, games, and the metaverse. It also allows users to upload AI-generated images and prompts and tokenize them on the blockchain for sale for crypto. The tool will also soon feature community orbs, a metaverse space for users to create for themselves, their friends, their community, followers, or brands. Finally, users can also search for AI-generated gaming and media assets, as well as their prompts. 3DFY AI is a tool that utilizes generative artificial intelligence to create high-quality 3D models from the text. It is designed to meet the demands of the future, allowing users to generate 3D content at scale without compromising quality. The tool offers a variety of services, including text-to-3D web and API services, massive 3D dataset generation, image-to-3D services, and more. Sloyd is a 3D modeling tool that helps users quickly and easily create 3D assets for their projects. It uses parametric generators and machine learning to create game-ready assets in real time. It also features a web editor that can be used in the browser, as well as a library of ever-expanding generators and customization options. Dimensions is an AI software that accelerates creative workflow by allowing users to quickly build asset packs. Features include the ability to control the generation process with text, image reference, or an entire scene, consistent 360-degree texturing, fast releases of hundreds of features, and collaborative features. It is reliable, easy to use, and free to start. The Lit RPG Adventures Workshop is a tool that provides AI-powered RPG content and generators for a variety of tabletop role-playing games. It features over 24 advanced tabletop RPG generators powered by GPT 3.5 and DALL-E 2 from OpenAI, as well as a growing library of content, including character backstories, avatars, warlock patrons, quests, skills, spells, creatures, races, mimics, random encounters, NPCs, dungeons, magic items, mundane items, undead cities, governments, magic shops, overland locations, taverns, spaceships, planets, Shadowrun characters, and more. Additionally, members have access to free generators and samples. Kaedim is an AI-powered tool that enables users to generate high-definition 3D models from 2D images in minutes. It features automatic texturing and offers plugins for popular 3D modeling tools, allowing users to quickly create production-ready 3D models with minimal effort. Kaedim is backed by industry leaders and is perfect for creating VR games or 3D art. Poly is an AI-powered tool that enables designers to generate high-resolution, customizable, commercially licensed 3D textures with physical-based rendering maps. It offers a range of features including a single text prompt, UHD high-detail outputs, PBR maps, seamless export, and an infinite library with unlimited generations, cloud storage, and no credits or timeouts. Additionally, users can upgrade to a premium subscription for access to faster speeds, higher resolution features, and a commercial license. Mirage lets you generate 3D design fast. Simply use text to describe what you want, and Mirage's AI-powered platform generates 3D meshes and textures. Pixela. The above tool allows users to upload images generated by a stable diffusion algorithm to share with the community. The tool also allows users to find random textures. Inworld AI is a platform that enables developers to create AI characters for games and immersive experiences. It provides a platform for adding advanced NPC behavior and unscripted dialogue to games and real-time media. It enables developers to create AI characters in minutes with natural language prompts and simple controls, and allows them to deploy these characters into games and virtual worlds using comprehensive packages. Inworld also provides production-grade scale, low-latency performance, and shorter dev cycles. Leonardo Ai is a tool that uses AI to create stunning game assets, such as items, environments, helmets, buildings, and concept art. It enables users to rapidly ideate, train their own AI models, and create unique production-ready assets with an artist-friendly interface. Users can sign up for exclusive early access to the platform. Hidden Door is a social role-playing experience powered by narrative AI, allowing users to create and share stories with friends. The platform combines natural language processing with procedural systems and game simulation to improvise with users and generate new adventures in favorite worlds. Hidden Door recently raised a $7 million seed round to expand its team. I hope you are enjoying the content. If you are and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support would mean a lot and help me continue to create new and exciting content. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a beat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.